How to create a Runway ML account on your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for an easy way to create amazing AI videos right from your phone, then first of all, in order to create an account on RunwayML, make sure that you've downloaded the Runway application on your smartphone and launch it open. Soon after you open the app, you'll see a welcome screen. Here, simply tap on the sign up button at the bottom left. On the next page, you can sign up entering your email address with your existing Google account or Apple account. I'm just going to enter a valid email address at the top of the screen. Make sure you type in your own email address. Make sure you have the email access, and you can verify the email as well. Just type in your email address in the text box and click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. And on the next page, set a password for your account. Type in a strong password in the first field and then type in the password once again in the next field. Once the password matches in both of the boxes, click Continue at the bottom. Now, enter a username for yourself in the text box on the next page. Finally, click Continue at the bottom. Enter your first and the last name on the next page. And then the next thing you want to do is to verify your email. Go check your email inbox for the email that you've just registered with and open the email from Runway. You'll see a code inside it. Go ahead and copy the code. Get back to the Verify Your Account page in RunwayML app, paste in the code, and finally click Continue at the bottom. And congratulations, your account is now ready. You can now explore features such as AI video generation, text-to-video tools, AI image editing, background removal, creative effects, and so on. Now go ahead and write down a simple prompt at the bottom of the screen. Describe your idea, what you want to make today. Just give in your prompt in the text box and click Send. Creating a Runway account on mobile is actually much easier than most people expect. You can now start experimenting with AI-powered video creation directly from your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.